So a lot of us have heard about these surveys online that can make you money if you take them. And today I'm going to be trying just that, and see how much I can make in 24 hours. I might actually go over because tomorrow is Saturday, and tomorrow I'm just going to be doing this, not the whole day, but every time I have time. I'm going to see how much money I can make in 24 hours. So let's get right into it. Also guys, just so you know, it is 1:39 right now. So we're gonna be starting, and I actually just took a survey and I'm already at 120 points in literally like 2 minutes, which is, I think, 110 points. I think that's $1.11. Just not bad. Alright guys, here's the time now, and I only have $2.70. This is a lot more boring, hard, etc. than I thought, because you actually have to focus. They'd be throwing in questions like select orange, and then you actually have to focus, so you actually select orange or it's not going to give you your points. Now I don't even know if I could redeem these points. I better, bro. If I can't, I'm like suing the company, bro. I'm not, but I guess you guys will see the results later on. Guys, sometimes it does say this after like a 20-minute survey, so it is very, very annoying. Oh, it doesn't match. I just took a 20-minute survey. Alright guys, so it has finally been 1 day of me doing this, and you know what I want to say, it is not a good main source of income. You should definitely not do this. Try one of my eBay videos, try that, or try reselling shoes as well. That's also a good side hustle, but this side hustle is just way too slow. It's actually very boring because you actually have to pay attention to the surveys. They'll throw up questions like, oh, pick orange, stupid, just so we know you're not a robot. And I was actually searching up how to find bots that can do it for you, and there's literally I couldn't find any bots. So the big reveal of about 2 hours of work. Alright, 2 hours of straight surveys and some background music. Okay, we made $3.34. Yeah, I know that's not that good, guys, and I'm aware that I probably wasted a lot of time, but my eBay is popping off, I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday I got like 4 sales, made like 100, and I'll probably finish doing these surveys just so I can actually withdraw these $10, because I'm only at $3.34, and then I need $6.66 left to withdraw the money, and I didn't do all this for nothing. So I'm gonna get my $10. Would I recommend this? Definitely not. Unless you literally unless you really just don't want to try these other opportunities like eBay. It's very safe. Reselling shoes, it's very safe. Literally the 10-year-olds are doing it, bro. It's the easiest thing. But taking surveys, it's also the easiest thing. You just gotta lie about your age sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, that's it. And if you guys actually want to do that, then the website I use is called Branded Surveys. But I wouldn't recommend it. But you know, if you want to, it's fine. But I hope you guys have a good day. Check out my last video where I showed you guys how to actually do an amazing side hustle, reselling shoes, or even creating your own eBay. Subscribe right here. There's like a circle. I'll see you guys next time.